Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Roland here. Today I want to share with you how to do the legend inside Revit. So you have a design like this one and you have a plan. Let me show this. You have a plan like this one and you have to prepare a sheet to take it on site. So to do this you have to prepare the legend first. So today is I want to show you how to do the legend like this one. So to do the legend you have two possibilities. The first possibility is to go to view. You have this function here, view. You click on it and here you have the first possibility. So if I click on this function now, I will have this popping up and I click here and I have my legend. I have the legend. I can give the name. This is legend 3. I can leave it like this, but I can change it and give the name I want to give. And I also have to make sure that I'm having the right measurement by you choosing here 1 on 1 or 1 on 50, something like that. So I have to choose the right one. I will close this first possibility. Now I want to show you the second option you can use if you don't take this way. Now you can come here, you can come on this function here, you click right, this is legend, you see here legend, and you right click and you have new legend. So I will click on new legend and you see we are coming at the same place we were having in the first option. So now we can click on OK to create the new legend. Click on OK and now we have this new and empty page that is open. What we will do is to go to annotation. We click on annotation and we will start to create a shadow. So create a shadow like this. You have a table like this and we can close. Now is what we have here. We continue. This first area will be for the legend. We have a second one here, another one that we don't know. Let us just put here the first one. Now we can divide and create column. We will have one area for let me say for the name, the symbol, the name and the description. So this is the three area we will use. And here we will put, every time we want to put the component, we pick it and we bring it inside this area. So what we will do is to give the name. We give the name by creating a name here. Now we can write legend. We can crop it and bring it in the middle. Okay. Now we can step out. The next thing we will do is to create here, use right symbol. This is for the symbol. We give it here and here we write the name. And here we have description. Description. Okay. Now we have it. Okay, the next thing we will do is to go back to annotation. Now we have this list here. We can open it, and from here, from this list, we can choose the component we have inside our family. So before we choose the component, we have to check if it is the right component we are looking for this area. For example, we have sofa, we have chair, we have table, we have all these things that we want to bring inside our legend. We have doors, we have windows, thing that we want to bring inside our legends. So we have to check it and make sure, okay, is that those things are the thing that we will select to bring inside our legend. So this is the next step we will do. So we will go back to the list. This is the list I'm opening. We have there different thing on our plan. So we will start to choose inside family. We have the bed. We have bed like double bed. Let us choose this one. So we have this bed. We can choose the way we see it. We can decide to see it from the side, or if we don't want it like that, we can change the view, like see it from behind. Will be the same. See it from the up. Now you see the bed will look different, but let us use this way. Let us use this way. This one I can delete it. They will continue to put the furniture. We can click on it and we will have this. No, let me step out, go to the list again, and now we continue to select. Now we want let us choose this one. So we choose everything we want to have inside our legend. So we will make the table bigger, more cell. If not, if we need more place, we can just push this line. So let me save it. Now we can continue. We go to the list again. We open it. We can also have this one. The same thing. The door, we can have it here. We can close this one. So we go back again. We continue. We go to the list. What do we want now? Let me check the way. No, I don't have this type. Let me change it. No, it's not what I'm looking for. So the thing is just to select what you want to put inside the legend. Let me change the graphic. I will change the graphic to realistic, and now this one to fine. And now we go back again. We have the list again. We will choose one more thing. Let us take the TV. We change the way we see it from front, and we also have it here. Now we can come back again and we will give the name. This one is bed. This one is I don't know, was I think cabinet. I'm not sure. This one was chair. I don't remember the name of this one. It doesn't matter. Now this one is a TV. So if I also want to put the description, maybe how big the TV is, a description of any component here, I can put inside this. I can put inside this area. I can write it. I can write the description inside this area. So if we are sure that our legend is finished, we can now go back, and now we will open this shift, and what we will do is to take this legend that we just created, we take it and we bring it inside this area. We can put it maybe here or here. So let us take the legend. This is the one we just did, so we will just pick it like this and we bring it inside our area. We will put it here and make sure, okay, we have enough place for the design or for the plan we want to bring inside. If we realize that maybe there is something we want to change, we can just go back to the legend, and if I change something here, this thing would automatically be changed in my plan. So let us just, you see now, let me close this one. You see things are identical. You see the object we have inside are the same. So if I go inside my legend and I remove this one, I remove this object here, you will see the object will also be removed in the plan. So you see this object disappear, but you cannot modify something from here. From here inside you cannot modify anything there, only from the legend. From this side, from this place, you can modify, remove something, or even delete, I don't know, or give a new name. So this is the only place. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, how to do the legend. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, don't forget to share it, send it to people that are learning Revit and they want to know more. Don't forget to subscribe. See you the next Sunday. Have a happy week. Ciao.